Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on NSFW on Reddit, right? So head over to your Reddit mobile application here. On the top right you will see your avatar, click on there and just go to the setting which is in the bottom, right? So here in the setting, if you just scroll a little bit down, here you can see show NSFW content, right? If you want to turn off, then this will be like this, don't do anything. But if you want to turn it on, then just click on this, and once it here you will get a new option, blur NSFW images. If I just turn this off, then it will unblur it, but I will just keep on blur on, right? So this is how you can just turn on your NSFW content on Reddit app. I hope you found this video very useful. By the way, if I just go back and whatever I content see, they will show me NSFW content, right? So if I just scroll a little bit down, you can see that I have, there's not any because I don't follow such community, but if you do, then you will able to see. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe and like this video.